Hello, my name is Gongyu. I will start the presentation about real-time network contents using mobile augmented reality. The presentation order will explain the reason or purpose of technology development. Next, I will explain the technical contents and results. Due to COVID-19, social distancing continues for a long time in 2020. As a result, the demand for a non-face-to-face industry is increasing. VR and AR are the main technologies that can overcome the physical limitation of the non-contact industry. In the non-contact era, VR and AR technologies are being studied in various fields such as education, health, and leisure. I will introduce some of the techniques of utilization. VR technology has developed a lot of contents that allow multiplayer in virtual space. Especially VR technology is used a lot in games. The picture is an online game called VR Chat. With HMD and motion capture equipment, VR can interact with virtual space in different real-world space. However, VR equipment required at least 2 square meters of interior space for effective use. Due to equipment and space problems, it is difficult to many people to use. The following is an example of AR content. The photo is content called Pokemon Go, which have released in 2016 and was very popular. Pokemon Go is AR content that use mobile devices that have advantages of mobility or portability. Pokemon Go is good example of following GPS and AR camera technology built in mobile. User exchange location information with each other using GPS, but there is no interaction on AR screen. In most other AR contents, there are no contents that user and other user interact with on AR screen. Because of this, I made technology that can interact with each other in AR space. Now I explain the technical contents. There are various AR development platforms. I choose ARCore, the AR development platform. ARCore is a development platform for Android and was suitable for the development environment of the lab. Next, I choose Unity Engine, a development tool for interaction. I also used Photon server available for Unity engines. Next, I will explain the sequence of network interaction of 3D objects in AR environment. User 1 and user 2 are connected to the Photon server. The sequence continues along the arrows. Interaction signal from user 1 are sent to the server and passed to user 2. The signal from user 2 is passed to user 1 through the server. The interaction method has a delivery sequence. However, because of the fast delivery speed, it seems to the user to interact in real time. It is an interactive scene in the actual AR environment. User 1 and user 2 are in different spaces. However, information can be communicated to each other through 3D objects. The picture of the left shows user 1 looking at user 2's 3D object on screen. Similarly, the picture on right shows user 2 looking at user 1's 3D object. So far, we have confirmed that AR multi-networking systems are operational. These technologies have even gone so far as theory work in experimental environments. The next study will use this system to produce a variety of non-face-to-face contents. Currently, we are thinking about interactive contents are drawn on world through AR network in different space. Thank you for listening to my presentation.